Hello guys, welcome to Civil Concept, and in this video we will see how to calculate the cutting length of the rectangular or square ties or stirrups. Okay, so you can see here we have to calculate the cutting length of these stirrups. Okay, so for this I will use the website called www.civilconcept.com. okay, and this tool is very important and I myself used for my construction site. Okay, so when we click on the www.civilconcept.com, I will put the link in the description. When we go on this website, you will reach on this page. Okay, so after that we have to click here on the menu free civil tool. Okay, and after clicking here you will reach on this web page, and you have to click here. You can see in 9 number cutting length calculator. Okay, rectangular or square stirrups. After clicking on this you will reach on this page. Okay, so you will reach in this page. So now you have to do what? You have to put the input detail of the member and steel. Okay, so you have to put the what input dimension of the column, okay, for which you want to calculate the quantity cutting length of the stirrups and ties, stirrups or ties. Okay, so first of all you have to put what input dimension of the column. Okay, so our column should be in what mm. Okay, so let us see our column dimension is 300 by 300. Okay, 300 by 300. Now in B, diameter of the ties or stirrups, how much is the diameter of this stirrups? Okay, so here for example 8, you can select from here 10 or 12. Generally we put how much, 8 mm or 10 mm, so I am putting here 8 mm. Okay, after that clear cover is how much? This clear cover, the distance between the surface of the column or beam and this stirrups. Okay, this is the clear cover. So clear cover for column is about 40 mm generally, and length up to stirrups provided L. Okay, so length up to stirrups provided, for example this is our beam or column. Okay, so the length up to which this stirrups provide from here to here, I have to provide the stirrups for length 2 meter or 4 meter. Okay, so I have to provide stirrups here. For example in it should be in feet, so I have to provide 12 feet. Okay, generally the length of room, standard length of the room is 12 feet, so I am putting here 12 feet. After that spacing between the stirrups. Okay, so this stirrups, how much you put the spacing between these stirrups. Okay, so I want to put 200 mm. Okay, now you have to just click on the calculate. Okay, and boom guys, you will get all the result. Okay, so cutting length of the stirrups or ties should be how much? 1072 mm. Length of AB. Okay, length in AB direction should be how much? 220 mm. In AB direction, here in AB direction this stirrups length should be how much? 220 mm, and this should be also in 220 mm. Okay, if you change the dimension of the beam or column, then it will also change in AB or BC direction. Okay, so hook length provided should be how much? 72 mm. Number of 90-degree bend is 3. Okay, you can see here 1 2 3. 90-degree bend is how much? 3. Okay, and number of 135-degree bend is how much? 2. so 1 and 2, it is 135-degree bend. Okay, now number of ties required will be how much? 19.3. okay, so number of ties or stirrups will required up to this length is how much? 19.3. you can put 20 or 19. Okay, so total weight of the steel required will be how much? 128.72 kg to put the stirrups up to this length. Okay, up to 12 feet. Okay, so guys, in this way we can calculate the total quantities, total cutting length of the stirrups or ties in a beam or column. Okay, now general formula use, you can read here the article how these tools use the formula to calculate the cutting length of the bar. Okay, and standard values taken to make this calculator is this much, and these are the steps involved in the cutting length of the stirrups. Okay, so I have already told you how will you calculate the cutting length of the stirrups or ties. So guys, if you found this calculator is useful, then you can visit in the website www.civilconcept.com, and please like this video and subscribe my channel for new update about civil engineering. Thank you.